Alright, I got my spray out card. We're gonna match it up, see if it looks good enough to blend. And I got my quick check here that I'm gonna spray on my card to simulate a gloss finish. That looks like a good match. It's a 2022 Lexus IS300, brand new car. So color is matching very, very good. It'll blend out very nicely. Let's get the car in the spray booth, mask it up, and we'll be ready to spray. Welcome back to the LNC Painter YouTube channel. My name's Andre, and in today's video we're going to be painting this brand new 2022 Lexus IS300. As you can see, the car is already prepped in the booth and ready to go. We did our proper repairs on the quarter panel and the bumper. So we're gonna blend the quarter, stay away from the door, blend this corner of the bumper, clear the entire panels. Very cool color. I think it's my favorite blue color that Lexus made. It's called Celestial Blue. Blue metallic, has pretty good coverage, so I don't think we're gonna have any problems blending. So there's no need for a special undercoat or sealer or anything like that. We have our primer that we didn't burn through, so everything's looking good. We're just gonna mask this car up, and then I'll show you guys how I go about painting it. Okay, we are masked up, cleaned up, and ready to go. I got my base coat mixed up from when I did my spray out card. I have a little bit left. I think I have left enough for one coat, and then while that first coat is drying, I'm gonna mix up some more base coat. So pay attention how I'm spraying this panel. We're gonna utilize this body line. I'm gonna stay below it, and I'm gonna stay away from the rear door. So I'm always gonna point my gun towards the back and down. That way we're not getting any extra overspray on this panel, where we're just gonna clear it, and it should come out looking good. Let's do it. And for my base coat, once again, we're going to be using my Techno Pro Light with the 1.3 tip, and I'm spraying at about 19-20 psi. This is our first coat. It's dry, but you can see it's very transparent and you can still see the primer underneath it. We're gonna try and cover that up with the second coat. Same on the bumper. You can still see the primer lines. So we have to cover those up before we do our control coat. So we'll try and cover it up in the second coat. If we can't, we'll do another light third coat, and then we'll do another control coat to even out the metallics. Let's do our second coat. This is our second coat, and we got good coverage. It looks very nice. You don't see that primer circle anymore. But one way to truly check if you got rid of that primer and you got good coverage is to turn off the lights in the booth and use a sunlight. Looks like I got very good coverage on the quarter panel. And same with the bumper. So yeah, this blue is actually not that bad. It is transparent, but it still has good coverage, more than the other blues. So we're gonna do our control coat. So on the control coat, I'm gonna drop my pressure to 16 PSI, and I'm gonna back away from the panel a little bit. I'm gonna be like 12 inches away from it, and we're gonna just mist it on. That way the metallics lay out nice and smooth and evenly, and it will look good. Let's do it. Wow, the Lexus IS turned out beautiful. I absolutely love this color. My favorite so far. It's gonna be on my to-do list to paint one of my cars this exact color. Very nice, very clean. Has the metallic, but it's subtle. It almost looks solid blue, but it's not. But turned out beautiful as you just saw. Very clean with that nice clean blend. Clear coat laid out beautiful. Stayed away from all the adjacent panels. We had a little overspray here, but this color is so transparent that that's not gonna affect. That was on my control coat. But other than that, yeah, we got our coverage on the primered area. Got my coverage on the bumper corner, also the primered area. Turned out super clean. Super glossy, super clean. Oh, I see a little dirt speck. Uh-oh, not perfect. I'm not perfect. Make mistakes, but not really a mistake. You know, it's inevitable. We're not in a closed off factory booth. This is our 30-year-old spray booth that still brings out beautiful jobs. So yeah, this is the only one I see. Very small, easy to do nib. Other than that, the panel looks very clean. Had a little burn through here. Honestly, I gotta say, the Lexus paint, it's a little, at least on this model, or this car particularly, not very happy with it. Super thin, very easy to burn through on the edges. Makes me think how long it will last before having issues in the future. But as I was prepping, like I said, it has sharp lines, but very thin clear coat, very easy to burn through. Same on the bumper, very sharp edges. I had a couple burn throughs. You literally have to just sand this corner by hand once and you're gonna burn through it, because these are so sharp and they have so little clear coat on them that all the burn throughs, just make sure you remember where they are, so you have you dust them in with the base coat before you clear it. But yeah, let me show you guys. Like the clear coat, it has these dots. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see them right there. Almost looks like solvent pop. And then you have like this blemish right here. So this looks like it was painted. Look at that. Oh, there you go. You can see that very well. So the whole car is pretty much like this. It has these like very, very tiny dots. And it almost looks like solvent pop when you put too much clear coat. And then you have, see all these imperfections in the clear coat? That right there. And this is a brand new car, so I'm wondering if all Lexus ISs come with this spec, dirty spec, or this is just one car that was completely repainted, or I don't know what's the story behind this car. Same here, very, very dirty clear coat. And these are all on the clear coat. They're not on the surface. The spoiler is just terrible. So much orange peel. And then I think I saw some more defects on the roof. Let me see if I can show you guys. So I probably shouldn't have done such a good job, because now this is gonna stand out from the rest of the car, but you know, us at LNC, we always polish and detail the car to the max, especially the surrounding areas of what we painted. But I think I saw right there too. See, that looks like a dirt nib that somebody tried to polish out, but they're all over the hood and the roof. Right there, right there. Yeah, I don't know if this is just like a faulty paint job, but the more you look at it, the more stuff you find. Look at all that stuff. I mean, from far away outside, looks absolutely beautiful, but when you get a microscope and get up close and personal, you start seeing all these little blemishes, and yeah, I don't know, kind of sucks to have that on a brand new car, but like I said, it's very hard to see, especially outside and if you're not too close to it, but it's still there. But I did what I do. I painted the repaired panels and made them look beautiful. So our job is done. The body tech is gonna put the car together and then we'll ship it off. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of me painting this 2022 Lexus IS300. I hope you learned something. I tried to teach you guys or give you some tips and tricks of how I paint and what I do that works for me, so hope it helps. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, comment below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. I post a new video each week, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss. That is going to be it for today. We'll see you guys in the next one.